Uno watch them as sitting here, Father God. Uno watch them as sitting here, youth. Come out of my yard. I would want to live a flight. Boom!
What's going on, people? We are back. Anyways, guys, today's video, Vybz Kartel by SHAWN Storm a new BMW, and the people might talk about it. Ding Dong and Damian Marley show off their dance moves. People don't wait for see that, because we are gonna see another side of Damian Marley where most of us never see before. Also, LA Lewis come out and speak about Niah's situation. Black Sun is currently looking after Niah's daughter. You're gonna see the little moments that they had. Also, Nicki Minaj is reaching out to Black Sun, asking for the contact for Niah's mom and baby mother. And people, Niah cousin come out and speak about Niah and his daughter. Guys, the video is full of beatings, so wanna stay tuned. Alright,
Freedom Street, I don't know, real boss there, so getting custom and classic drip, I don't know, come down. I present this a mad custom train. You see your reaction on this one.
Buckler, I wanna see. Look at the paper. So you want the custom them? You link. Tell them what to link.
Classic dripper.
Remember, you know, when you can't get to classic drip, ladies, you go on the one, but you have to bounce by the cocky tip. I just sing classic drip.
Yeah.
No?
What I know, Zilla, Big Dong said, if you can do the book now, Big Marley, Big Dong said, if you can do the book now, let me see what one. You get paid for sing, you don't get paid for dance. And that's what you said. Wait.
Niah with more time, so we easy to get ignorant, and when he get ignorant, we cuss and tell a man to go call them mama. But you see on TikTok, Niah never get ignorant on TikTok yet. Anytime you see even Niah, I tell a man anything, I be a laugh, him a laugh. Niah, people must know this, the world must know this. Every time, if Niah even tell a man, say, yo, move from here, so I go suck your mother sitting, I laugh, Niah laugh, because I take it for fun. You see, if a man get serious, he first I tell you sorry. Because them is a little youth, you know, people feel say Niah one big man and feel say Niah one big old man. Niah is just a little youth. Look here. Let me tell you this panel live right now. You see when our father lie down a ground, you see, a pitney know what go on, you know. Me I show you something. A little pitney come and he stretch up in two and to me. And he say, uncle, then shoot daddy and lick out in head back. See him lie down a ground and bleed there. Lick a baby girl and say there a big woman that in hall. I know like and she not cry. I not cry, she a cry.
Of course, man. She smart as fuck, dog. Me know that man so
Tell
much.
me I tell her that. She said see that then lick out daddy head back and daddy lie down a ground and daddy dead.
Everything so hard.
Me I tell her no.
He love you. That no star, dog.
And that me I tell you now, that little baby a set to me, that he put up in two and I lift her up, and when me lift her up and take her up, a pint, she a pint. And I say, see daddy there. Then lick out daddy head back and daddy lie down a ground, daddy bleed out there, so daddy now come back. And she now cry when she a said that and she a explain the things straight.
Bromy go always be there for her, just believe me.
Mostly my child stay strong.
So I DM'd you, but I don't know if you saw it. I want to talk to Niah's baby mother, if that's possible, or Niah's mother. Can you send me their contact information in the DM?
Definitely.
Because I want to give it directly to, and I want to make sure it goes directly to his daughter, and I want to talk to his daughter. So that's all I wanted to say, okay?
Alright, Queen, definitely. I'm going to make that possible, okay?
Alright, blessings. Thank you.
Alright, have a great day.
This thing I have to wrap up fast. I give it, this thing I have to wrap up before Christmas, people. Everybody who involved in this thing, either them want a friend or kill them, or police or kill them, so better them turn in themselves. Because people, who don't know the emperor already. When me go up on something, when me set table, when me sound the bang people. You understand? Some of the ancestors, all of who killed Niah, let judgment rain upon them and rain upon them family and all of the people who know about the killing. Tell them to turn in themselves, or police or kill them, or them want a friend them or kill them. Turn in on yourself now. You understand? And people in the area who know judgment are going to reach, you know. Because people are disrespect this, you know. You see the down in the area people, the area leader, this look away upon him. This look like say the man them not have no regard for him. Him not have no value. The area him set up that thing, yeah. And that's gonna look like, you know, it's gonna look like say the down in the area leader nowhere go on and send some local man for go kill an innocent local youth. So it's gonna look. So, and if this escape now, people, it's gonna look like the Jamaica police system are the worst set of police system in the world. People, that it's gonna look like, people. Jamaica police system are the worst kind of police system in the world. And I miss some people. So this need to cap fast, people. You need to put a lid on this fast. And Joe Wallace, Mark Golden, only need to pay attention to this. Because if it did happen now, naturally, like a look of man go shoot up a man and some man come shoot him up back, that's different. But this happen on TV, social media. That means that the man shows that Jamaica have no law, not at all. This shows that the politicians have no power. This shows that the country gone to the wild dog.
So people, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. May I beg you to like up the video, subscribe, and also leave in the comments down below. Guys, and make sure to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I come with a new video. Big up on yourself. Peace out.